Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift or remove your vehicle's cab from the frame. Step 3. Begin cutting or torching and punching out the rivets retaining the crossmember to the frame rails. Step 4. With the included hardware, bolt the new crossmember to the frame using a ratchet and wrench. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, lower your cab and reinstall the cab mount bolts and bushings. Now, get back out on the road.